Well, my name is Richard. I'm on the Hair Transplants, and I am from Czech Republic, and I'm traveled to Bangladesh and find a new hair clinic and make a deal. So now I'm going to hair transplant. Hello, I was yesterday on the hair transplant surgery on the new roots clinic in Dhaka. As you can see on my head, everything was perfect. I received 3,700 grafts on the soft, which is sapphire. It's some new technique. With less pain and everything is good. I expect more pain, but I feel absolutely no pain. But everything is good. I hope all the staff and doctors was perfect, answer my questions properly, and the price was also very perfect. In comparison with the prices in Europe or America, it's very cheap and very professional. And go there and make it.